Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and safe at your home. So, let's start today's session with the amazing topic of English, that is vowel sounds. We all know very well that there are 5 vowels in English, but do we have any idea that what kind of sounds they make? Yes, so today I will tell you that how many vowels are there and what kind of sound each vowel makes. So let's start. Just imagine if I speak ice cube as eyes, and in another picture if I say the same word with sit. I is same in eyes and in sit. There is no difference between eyes, but see the difference in sound. In ICE eyes, I am speaking I as eyes, and in SIT sit, I am speaking I as sit. फर्स्ट पिक्चर में मैंने आई को आई बोला है और सेकेंड पिक्चर में मैंने सिट को सिट बोला है. इट मीन्स इन फर्स्ट पिक्चर आई हैव ब्रॉडन माई माउथ, मैंने बहुत बड़ा सा मुंह करके बोला है आइज, एंड इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर आई हैव सेड वेरी जनरली इन अ वेरी रिलैक्स मोड, बट नॉर्मली मैंने बोला है सिट. सो वाई द डिफरेंस इज देयर? क्यों डिफरेंस है? आई सेम है तो उसका साउंड भी सेम होना चाहिए. यस, दिस इज़ वॉट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू टूडे. मैं आज आपको यही बताऊंगी दैट वी हैव सेम वर्वल बट देयर साउंड्स आर डिफरेंट. जस्ट इमेजिन, सोचिए ज़रा, आइज एंड सिट, क्या डिफरेंस हो सकता है दोनों में? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट्स लर्न अबाउट वॉवल sounds. As you all know that we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and each vowel makes 2 sounds, long sound and short sound. It means if we have 5 vowels, then each vowel makes 2 sounds. A will make long sound and short sound like this: E, I, O and U. So today we will learn about each vowel in detail and their each sound with examples. Let's start. Firstly we will learn about A. Now I will tell you about the long sound of A. If it is a normal A, then if I will stretch the sound, if I will make the long sound of A, then how it will look like? Exactly, it will look like this: A. Okay, let's take a look at some examples like ape, aim, apron. Okay, now move towards the another sound of A. If I speak the A with a very normal sound, with a short sound, then how it will look like? Exactly, it will look like this. Then how will it sound? It will sound like apple, act, cat. So have you felt the difference? In the long sound it was like ape. In the short sound, A is like apple, A and A. Okay, I think you all would have got the difference. Now move towards another vowel, that is E. It is a normal E, but if we stretch it for the long sound, then how will it look like? Exactly, it will look like this. And how will it create sound? E. Let's take a look at some examples. Key, eel, eagle. In this I have stretched E in a very long manner. It means it is the long sound of E. Now we will talk about the short sound of E. See, it's our normal E. But if we will make the short sound of E, then how will it look like? Exactly, it will look like this. and how will it will sound? E. Let's take a look at some examples. Elbow, elephant, pen. Have you seen the difference? Eel, elbow. Elephant, it was E and it is E. So this is the difference between the different sounds of each vowel, long sound and short sound. Let's move to another vowel. I. It is a normal I. But if we make the long sound of I, then it will look like, exactly, it will look like this. And how will it make sound? I. Okay, in the beginning I gave you the example of I only, so I think you can relate both the things. So let's take a look some examples. Iron, eyes, bike. So I'm stretching my mouth. I am making the sound of I. It means it is the long sound of I vowel. Now we will move towards a short sound of I. It is a normal I, but if we shrink it, it means अगर हम इसको छोटा करते हैं, इसका short sound निकालने के लिए, then how will it look like? Exactly, it will look like this. Okay, let's move towards some examples. In, ink, pen. And in the beginning, which example I gave? Sit. Yes. So, in the long sound, it is like eyes. And in the short sound, it is like pin. I and E. Eyes and pin. Okay, I think you will all would have understanding that what kind of sounds each vowel makes. Let's move towards another vowel. O. It is a normal O. But if we stretch it to make it long sound, then how will it look like? It will look like this only. And how will it make the sound? It will make the sound like O. Let's take a look at some examples. Gold, oak, old. It means I have to stretch my mouth. To make the long sound of O, I have to stretch my mouth. Now move towards our normal O. Yes, it was like this only. Now if we make the short sound of O, then how will it look like? Exactly, it will look like this. And which kind of sound it will make? Let's take a look at some examples. Off, pot, octopus. Can you feel the difference? It is O and it was O. It was oak. It is pot. It was O and it is O. Okay. Now move towards our next vowel. And it is our last vowel also, U. If we stretch our mouth, then which kind of long sound U will make and how will it look like? Let's see. Yes, exactly. It will look like this. Now let's take a look at some examples. Universe, unity, cute. In all three words, the sound of U is like U. It is a long sound of U vowel. Now, get back to our normal U. Yes. Now if we will make the short sound of U vowel, then how will it look like? Exactly, it will look like this. And which kind of sound it will make? Let's take a look at some examples. Up, umbrella, uncle. In short sound, it is like A. And in the long sound, it was like U. Okay? I hope you all will have understood today different kinds of sounds of each vowel. Long sound of each vowel and short sound of each vowel. तो चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक बहुत ही अच्छे और अमेजिंग इंग्लिश के टॉपिक के साथ. टिल देन, स्टे सेफ एट योर होम, टेक केयर, गुड बाय.